Big news yesterday we got for the Naked, and we got some news regarding the NASDAQ, and this is really important for Naked and for the prices for now, because this is really major news, and we're gonna go through them and the price for Naked for this week before we end the last session of trading session, and what we gonna see at the end of this April. We have to end really strong, because this is will set the incentive for the next month for the big run that we gonna see for Naked. So hit the like button and show me some support, the hunter support, and let's get right to it. As I always promise you, no BS, no editing. So let's get right to it and see what's happening. So yesterday we got the news here. Naked Brand received a non-compliance notice from the NASDAQ. As everybody knows, when the stock trading below the $1 for 30 days trading days, and the price of stock will be below the $1. This is you get a notice from the NASDAQ, because this is the share of stock should not be traded below the $1 over a period of 180 days. Now we have the 30 days consecutive business days, and now we have the notice from the NASDAQ. So now they have to have it has like 180 days compliance period to regain the compliance. So now we have 180 days from now in order to make it to go over $1. So this is really important, because this is a major point for Naked, because if we don't go to the $1, look with me, we need at least from the price of today. As we can see, the pre-market is now up 6% after this news. So let's see how much we have to make in at least 3 months, and let's see, or 4 months, almost 50% up. Do I think that price of Naked will go to $1? This is a major turning point for Naked, as I can see. By at least next month or next week, we need the price to go to this level in order to tell you 100% or at least 90% Naked is going to the $1 and change the direction before we meet our compliance after 4 months or 180 days. So let's analyze the price and see what's happening and what's the turning point for Naked in order to see the price $1 in the coming months. So as we can see here, we got a big rejection around our area here, as we drawn at 0.74, and this is really major area, and that's why we got rejected. Now as we can see, I told you we need not to go below this line, and that's what we did. The moment that we got below this line, see with me, we got a big candle exactly triggered by the short sellers. As I told you, the moment we hit this, we close this, this is a major turning point, and we're gonna see a sell-off. That's why we got sell-off, and we got a big buying pressure around the 0.60. This is really important, as I draw this line is not by just any line, but this is a psychological line that the short seller knows when we hit it, we're gonna see a major sell-off. As we can see here, almost 250k worth of volume down. So now even when we drop down, we test this line that I drew before, and this is show that is really have a significant value for us. And now by the pre-market, we got the price got big jump at 6% and stopped at 0.67 around our execution average, and I can expect we're gonna see a bit of rejection after the market open, and we get rejection to go down again here. So this is a major psychological level at this level, because even in the pre-market we stop at 67. So we'll see if we have this jump will be genuine and we hold this level. If we just go above the 0.68, we're gonna see a run up to test the 74. If not, there's a big chance that we're gonna get rejected here again after the market opened. This is how it happens. Always the pre-markets go up, then the price will go down again. So by the open, when the market open, if we got rejected and we see a sell-off, we gonna see the price test again the 0.64. If we break this again, guys, after the market open by today, and by Friday we close below our line again here, big chance that we see the 0.58 again by the next week. If we just did this, we're gonna see the price go to 0.58, and this is really important turning point for Naked, because now if we go back again, we rejected and we close here, this is not good sign. This will confirm that we downtrending and we going even lower. And even if we break this, this is the major turning point for Naked, because as I told you guys, in order to see Naked go to $1 or at least meet our compliance in the 4 period months, we need at least the price closing here by the next month to see the price even go above the $1. We need to close above the 0.74. Simple as that. We need a closing candle above the 0.74. That's why we got rejected so many times. We got at the 27th of April and the beginning of April again. This is the really major turning point for Naked. So just put notification just in case about this price, because this is where like short seller coming in and short, because they know the price is not right and they know the price will get rejected. That's why we see a big rejection area around this level. We're gonna see what happened in coming for next month. This is really important for changing the momentum and changing the trend, because now we have this big jump up since the 15th of April. In order to hold this jump and reversal and downtrend that we've been doing like beginning of February, we need to change this trend the moment we go at 0.74 and close above. And again, we don't want to go below our line here. Simple as that, at 0.58. If we go below it and we have a closing candle, this is a big major sign that we not uptrending, we not changing the trend anymore. So guys, this is how you try to not time the market but understand the market, because nobody can time the market. The idea is have a probability, have risk management, and see the sign. Don't have a bias. Always see from the other side of the equation, because if you are inside any problem or situation, you can see clearly. You'll be mixed with emotion and things like this. So try to look at it from outside view and ask yourself question always: is this the right decision? Should I actually put all my money here at this price? Is it the right price now or not? Because this is the questions market maker do. They never buy all in unless this is the right price value. That's why we see a big surge of price at certain level at certain time, not at any time, because usually the price and the volume is really slow, but before any news, whether before any movement, even without news, they know when the price is right. You see a big volume change for any stock, not just Naked, but for any stock. If you go through them, you can see is not the volume every day. You can see big volume for any stock. Sometimes there's a big volume, sometimes a small. So you try to digest how they think, and that's how they think. No emotion. They wait for the right price to come in. They never actually. They just wait on the sidelines. This is the best. Never trade, over trade. You can do like day trading, but if you do day trading, you have a strict strategy for risk management, because in day trading is all about probability. You lose 10 but you won 1, but the one will cover all the losses. That's how they make it. So there's a lot of strategy we can talk about in my common trading course coming next weekend, so stay tuned for that. And guys, hopefully you like your video. So if you like the video, bless the like button and show me some support, and see you guys in the next video.